Hi, I'm Franco with eXp Realty. I'm here to show you this fantastic all-brick two-story home with tons of upgrades, including a spa-like pool, oversized triple-car garage, and a separate workshop on the compound. Let's go in. Let's go take a look. So if you like what you see and you want a VIP tour, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to show you.